Hello there, friends and neighbors. I want to show you how to use the base number calculator that I created in Excel to save you some time in converting between one base system to another. You can use this calculator to go from a base other than 10 to our base 10 system, and you can use it to go from base 10 to another number system, which is either larger than or smaller than 10. First off, where do you find it? The same place you find everything, which is in the modules. If you go to the Unit 2 module, you'll have everything you need for Unit 2, including the base number calculator, which is right here. You download it, open it up, it looks like this. There are 4 sections. One from going from a different base that's smaller than 10, going to 10, so base is chosen there. Something in base 2 or base 7 or base 3 becomes some other number in base 10. The next section over here shows you how to go from base 10 to another base that's lower than 10. The next section shows you how to go from base 10 to another base that's larger than 10. This part is more complicated. And then finally to go from base 10 to base B, where B is greater than 10. So all 4 things that you might need to do are all in here. Let's pull up an exercise to demonstrate. We want to convert from base 6 to base 10. Here's the number, 320102. And I want to go from base 6 to base 10. Well, since 6 is lower than 10, I'm going to go over here to the section where it's lowercase b. And this says from base B to base 10. So I first set the base at 6. Then I enter the number, which is 320102, 320,102. And in base 10, that becomes 25958. Just copy it or paste it. 25958. Click submit. And it is correct. Okay. Another way that you can use this, you can use it all 4 ways. I can go from base 10 to another base that's lower than 10. That's this example. I need to convert from 706 in base 10 to a base 6 number. So I go over here to the second section I have, going from base 10 to a base 6. I'm going to change it from 2 to 6. That's the base. And the number is 706. And that becomes 3134 in base 6. Okay, and that's correct as well. It can also be used to go from a base 10 to another base system that is higher than 10, such as the Mayan counting system. What is the Mayan symbol for base 10? 6088. If I have 6088 in base 10, what is that in base 20? Well, that means that I'm going from base 10 to base B, where B is greater than 10. So I come to that section, I choose the base, in this case it is 20. The number I want to work with is 6088, and in base 20 that becomes 1548. In Mayan number systems, the highest number's on top. That's 15. That's 3 5s. That's this. We have a 4 in the 20s place, which is here 4. And we have an 8 in the 1s place. 5 plus 3 is 8. So that's the answer. Okay. Last type of thing I might want to do is convert from a different base to base 10. For example, converting a Babylonian number, which is base 60, to base 10. And so if I've got the Babylonian number 134847, that would be this symbol, followed by this symbol, followed by this symbol. 134847, I want to convert that to base 10. Well, it is base 60, and I can enter that here, 13, 48, 47, but unfortunately it doesn't work. I didn't get that part to work. So the way we have to do that is by hand. The ones place is 47. The 60s place, that is base to the power of 1, is 48. And then we have 13 in the 60 squared place. We have nothing beyond that. So it will be 49727. That's the answer for that. Paste it. Submit. And there it is.